Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin on the master page because that's where automated numbering lives. Open the Pages panel, double-click the master you want, and draw a small text frame where numbers should appear. With the Type tool inside that box, choose Type Insert Special Character Marker's current page number. Once placed, the marker shows a letter on the master, but will become actual digits on document pages. Make sure the text frame is on the correct layer, and align to your margins so numbers stay consistent. Next, you format and control how numbering behaves across the document. Apply a paragraph or character style to the page number marker on the master so every page inherits consistent typography. To change numbering per chapter, right-click the first page of a section and choose Numbering and Section options. Set Start at or pick Roman versus Arabic numerals. Once done, avoid local overrides. If a number looks off, revert to the master or update the style. This keeps automatic updates predictable as you add or reorder pages. Finally, check every spread to confirm numbers display correctly and export a proof PDF. If you need a unique number on a single page, override the master item with Shift plus Control, Windows, or Shift plus CMD Mac, and edit that instance. When exporting, make sure page ranges and bookmarks reflect the order. If numbers are missing or show as letters, make sure the current page number marker still exists on the master. The frame isn't overridden incorrectly, and section settings haven't forced a reset. That single check fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.